This is True Moringa, a clean, natural beauty brand powered by moringa oil without the frills, ineffectiveness, and price tag of most natural beauty products out there. What's so great about this moringa oil? It's lightweight, ideal for all skin types, and your skin soaks it up fast because it complements the oils your skin produces naturally. It's packed with vitamins, nutrients, and unique fatty acids to nourish and protect dry skin long after its application. Our new Moringa skincare line is 3 easy steps: cleanse, tone, and moisturize. Our Magic Black Soap blends raw shea and moringa oil with pure African black soap to sponge away the day and start your skincare routine with a clean slate. Our Moringa Mist hydrates the water-loving layers of your skin. Seal it all in with our cold-pressed moringa oil to nourish and protect the oil-loving layers of your skin. Does it work? These guys sure think so.
Especially for like acne-prone and oily skin, like using oils is like kind of daunting and scary. It's so light, it smells so good, and I'm not scared to put it on my face either.
I'd say for me, I love that the cream is something that's gonna leave my skin feeling really moist. It doesn't dry my skin out. I put it on and I just instantly felt like I didn't need lotion right away. So I love that feature about the cream.
Ooh, you are very nice.
And if you aren't sold yet, today we train and support over 5,000 small farming families in Ghana. We have planted over 2 million moringa trees. That's 2 million sources of new livelihoods for these farmers. And we increase their incomes 10 times over. So go ahead. Click below to make your healthy beauty routine easy with True Moringa and support sustainable farming in Ghana.